And so, on something very interesting here, Nota actually mentioned in an interview that Nasty C broke the law when he did a Johnnie Walker advert because he's supposed to be over 25 to be doing an ad drinking alcohol.
Like even now, he's even committed like an advertising standards authority violation. He's on the Johnnie Walker campaign. He's not yet 25. He turns 25 on the 28th of February.
And so I just want to mention a few important things about it because this is in terms of a new code of commercial communications by the Association for Alcohol Responsibility and Education, also known as AWARE-org. And basically, AWARE-org is not a government initiative. It is an NPO that is registered with the Department of Social Development, but it holds very serious powers. Its legal status is sort of the same as RISA, the recording industry of South Africa, because the government doesn't have a music authority, and therefore RISA sort of acts as a music authority. In the same way, the government doesn't really have an alcohol authority, so AWARE-org sort of acts as South Africa's alcohol authority. And their powers are so strong that they can actually have you banned for 3 months from advertising by the Director General of the Department of Trade and Industry. But most importantly, we have to mention the fact that Johnnie Walker itself is a member of the AWARE-org, and in terms of that advertisement that notice calling that Nasty C actually put out, you can also see the logo there. And now, as a general rule, only persons that are or appear to be 25 years or older may be shown in the act of drinking in an alcohol beverage advert. And of course, Nasty C actually turned 25 this year on the 11th of February, but there was a video that was released on the 15th of December 2021 before Nasty C actually turned 25. But well, here's the thing. In that actual video, you can see that Nasty C actually pours the alcohol into the cup or glass, but he doesn't actually drink. He acts like he was drinking, but he doesn't actually drink. And the caption itself was actually announcing his partnership with Johnnie Walker. So I think that was going to be seen as an alcohol brand promotion rather than an advert, because according to their codes, a person who's older than 21 can actually promote alcohol brands. So I don't think that is going to be seen as an advert. It is rather going to be seen as an alcohol brand promotion. But here's where it gets very interesting. There is an ad that has not yet been released at this moment, which was sort of put on YouTube on the 22nd of December when Nasty C was actually still 24. And it is not actually a full ad. They actually said that it's coming soon. So if it happens that Nasty C actually shot an entire ad before turning 24 and would actually be dropped some moment after turning 25, then I think Nota would actually be right. But that depends on whether or not he did actually shoot an ad before. As in, if this thing that I'm showing on the screen is actually going to be released later. And going forward, Nota actually says that the reason why Nasty C actually did that is because Mabala Noise and Universal actually gave him a lot of advances which he actually can't pay for, and therefore they're giving him gigs that he actually doesn't qualify for, just so he could actually pay back the advance they gave him.
They need the money. That's how much they spent on him. That's how much is the advance. They need the money. So any deal they could get, they've got him on a 360. Like, you're too young for this deal, it's fine. We'll do it, you'll turn 25 next year or whatever. But the campaign started last year. We saw it.
I'm not sure, and I'm not gonna say anything. You guys tell me what you think about it.